Ready.
Start with the name of Allah, who is most gracious and merciful. Honorable President, worthy Chief Guest, respected teachers, and my dear schoolmates. Assalamu alaikum. Neither I am a historian nor a philosopher, but as per my little age and little qualification, I shall try to speak on this topic, the importance of education. Education is essential for everyone. It is the level of education that people earn respect and recognition. In my opinion, it is indispensable part of life both personally and socially. However, the unequality of education is still a major problem that needs to be solved. Worthy President, the importance of education is undeniable for every single person. It goes without saying that education has a positive effect on human life. Education plays such a rudimentary role in society that we cannot even imagine life without it. It is a determined element for the civilization of human society. Not only does it help healthy surroundings but also generates the dignity. As a matter of fact, everything we create is based on the knowledge we obtain throughout our life by way of education. Worthy President, the average education is not same in different areas. Without education, life would be deserted, determined consequences this day. We are trying our best to make education global and accessible to everyone, poor and disabled. Worthy President, however, we need our education system that might eradicate illiteracy and might provide the common man and accept not only basic education but also to higher and technical education. In the last, I shall say poetry and will take my seat. Allah se kare dur wa taaleem bhi fitna. Allah se kare dur wa taaleem bhi fitna. अमलाक भी औलाद भी जागीर भी फितना ना हक के लिए उठे तो शमशीर भी फितना शमशीर क्या नारे तकबीर भी फितना दैट्स ऑल मिस्टर प्रेसिडेंट